Greetings, Geocachers. Do you want some new souvenirs for your profile? Then stay tuned because today on WebCacher, we are talking about Planetary Pursuit. Hi folks, this is Matt from WebCacher, where we give you the tips to help navigate to, locate, and log geocaches and have amazing adventures while doing it. We're hoping to have more videos soon, so if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button down below. Also, there's a little bell there. If you'd like notifications on your phone or tablet of when new videos come out, hit that as well. The topic of today's episode is Planetary Pursuit. Every year, sometime between late March and late August, geocaching puts on a promotion, an opportunity to earn souvenirs by doing and meeting certain requirements. And this year's is called Planetary Pursuit. It's space themed. From March 19th to April 8th, you have the opportunity to earn a total of 10 souvenirs. There's 9 souvenirs, one for each planet in our solar system, including Pluto, which technically is not a planet, but it used to be. If you get all 9 souvenirs, you'll also be awarded a special bonus 10th souvenir that certifies you as an official space explorer. You're probably asking yourself, how do I actually get these souvenirs? What do I have to do? Well, let's take a look at the scoreboard that geocaching has provided. To see the scoreboard, at first you're going to want to go to the website planetarypursuit.space. At the time of recording, you can see here that there's a countdown. This is exactly how long it will be until the promotion kicks off. Click on Get Started. A window is going to open up, and here you'll see the menu for the entire promotion. I really like this. I think this was cool that they called it ground control. The next link to actually see the scoreboard, though, is down here. It says prepare for takeoff with the official rules and frequently asked questions. This will open a new window that contains a lot more information about how the entire promotion works. If you scroll down, you can see how many points gets you what. So anytime you log a geocache, you get 5 points. If that geocache happens to be a multi-cache or letterbox, you get 10 points. Found it on a mystery cache or earth cache scores you 15. Finding a geocache with 10 or more favorites is another 15 points. Attending events is 15, and dropping off a trackable is 4. Up higher actually explains what the 10 souvenirs that you can earn are. 5 gets you Earth, 10 Venus, and so forth. But look here, it's going to take us a total of 500 points to get Pluto, and getting Pluto also gets you the official Space Explorer souvenir. Once you've begun to participate by finding geocaches on March 19th, you may be asking yourself, how many points have I actually accumulated so far? The points you've accumulated can be found on the Friend League. If you scroll down on this page, you'll find links. And from there, you'll be able to see a page that will probably look a little bit different on March 19th. If you're doing the math in your head, you're probably sitting there thinking, wow, I need to find a lot of geocaches to get all 10 souvenirs. And technically speaking, you're right. Let's talk about strategy. Strategy number 1, find and log geoarts made of mystery caches. Geoarts are a series of geocaches that, when looked on the map, produce a picture like this basketball shown here. While geoarts can be made of different cache types, you want to specifically look for mystery caches. The reason is because mystery caches are worth 15 points each in this promotion. The geoart puzzles are usually quick and easy and close together. You only need 34 total to get all 10 souvenirs. So let's talk about how you can best find GeoArt on the map. If it's not already open, you'd like to start by opening your geocaching map. If you want to follow along with me, I'm looking at northwestern Pennsylvania. The first step then, after your map is open, is to filter out all the caches that aren't mystery caches, which you can do so if you're a premium member of geocaching.com. So you click these, and then on this blue one, you want to just get rid of the letterboxes and the where it goes. That means that all we have left are mystery caches. And if we look around, we can see these suspicious clusters that we can zoom in on to confirm that they're geoarts. And if we're around this North Warren, Pennsylvania, we can see that there are 2 geoarts right here. Looks like we have a gentleman or perhaps lady kayaking, as well as an acorn. Strategy 2. find and log power trails. Power trails are geocaches that are usually hidden very close together in a series. Usually they're made up of traditional geocaches, although in theory sometimes they're made up of mystery caches, multi-caches, or even earth caches. When looking for power trails, the best place to go is on a map. And you're looking for places where you see lines or streams of geocaches. Here I'm looking at Nevada, and in Nevada there are a lot of power trails. We can see them clearly right here on the map. Sometimes finding power trails on the geocaching map is a little bit less obvious if you don't live in Nevada. For example, here we are in Ohio, and if we look really closely we can see power trails here, 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 and in other places. If you try to get all 10 souvenirs using a power trail of traditional geocaches, just remember, each traditional cache is only worth 5 points. You're going to need to log 100 of them to qualify for all 10 souvenirs. Strategy number 3. Find and log geocaches with low difficulty and low terrain, especially if they're mystery caches or have 10 or more favorite points. The easiest way for you to do this is to do a search on geocaching.com. Let's pretend you lived in San Diego, California. So we type in San Diego into the search bar, and all of the geocaches in San Diego come up. Over here, there's a filter. Click it. And let's extend the mileage to say 25 miles. Let's deselect everything except the mystery caches and the earth caches because those are worth the most points in the Planetary Pursuit promotion. The difficulty we're going to bring down to only search things between difficulty 1 to 1.5 and terrain 1 to 1.5. Over here we want to click the geocaches that you have not found, that you don't own, and that are enabled. And then when you hit search, it will immediately filter all of the caches. And here we see the filtered results. We can see here that even though there's 47 possibilities, you'll only need 34 of these to qualify for all 10 souvenirs in the Planetary Pursuit promotion. This is just as simple on the official geocaching app. Here we have San Diego again, in sunny California. You can use the filter to hide your finds, hide your geocaches, and change the types to only reflect the mystery caches and the earth caches. Hit apply down below. You can also change the difficulty down between 1 and 1.5, terrain between 1 and 1.5. Hit apply, and the filters will soon take effect on the app. If we zoom out, the filters stay in place. You'll need, again, any of these 34 to qualify for all 10 souvenirs in this promotion. Have you noticed the theme yet? This promotion is largely a numbers game. Things like the cache's difficulty, terrain, when it was hidden, size, don't matter. What does matter are the cache type and how many you find. So if you really look at these strategies so far, a lot of them have to do with finding the most caches in the shortest amount of time. Strategy number 4, attend as many events as possible. Event caches in this promotion are worth 15 points, just like mystery caches and earth caches. The easiest way to find events is to go to your profile dashboard on geocaching.com. On the top right corner, you're going to see this section called Nearby Events. This is a fairly new feature. It's only been out since December 2017. And here you can click on the day and see the many different events that are in your area. Strategy 5. Move a lot of trackables even during the same trip. Trackables are geocaching game pieces that are owned by geocachers. They move from geocache to geocache and are logged using a code that's found somewhere on the trackable itself. Some look like coins and some look like these tags seen here. During Planetary Pursuit, dropping off a trackable is only worth 4 points, meaning you probably won't get all 500 points by dropping off trackables, but it can help bolster the points that you already have from logging geocaches. Remember, you get 0 points for picking up a trackable, 0 points for having your trackable visit, or what is sometimes called dipping a trackable into a geocache. You only get the points 4 for dropping off the trackable. And folks, that's it. Those are my 5 strategies for you to get all 10 Planetary Pursuit souvenirs. Are there any strategies that WebCacher may have missed? Let us know in the comments below. Lastly, just have a lot of fun with this promotion. Have fun on your adventures collecting all 10 souvenirs. If you decide to share any photos or video, you can share them using the hashtag Planetary Pursuit. Who knows, maybe we'll feature some of your Planetary Pursuit adventures in a future episode. So, until next time, have fun exploring outer space. It doesn't even fit my shoulders.